So I just split these into two different groups. This is x to the third plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12, and I just split these into two different groups. The reason I'm doing this is because here, and we'll see soon enough, that they're going to multiply the same thing. So I can see that x squared is in common here, so I have x squared and then times x plus 3. And on my second two terms, I can see that what's in common here is negative 4. So I have minus 4 times, and I'm extracting a negative 4 from both the first thing, so that would be x, and the second one, which is plus 3. So negative 4 times x is negative 4x, and negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Okay? So as you see here, we have exactly the same term being multiplied to two different things. Okay, so what I want you guys to see here is we have x plus 3, which is being multiplied by both x squared and negative 4. If you have something that turns out like this, you can actually combine the first two terms. You can go ahead and combine the first two terms. So this becomes x squared minus 4 in parentheses, you're combining them, times x plus 3. Okay, so what we're doing here is that because both x squared and negative 4 are multiplying the exact same thing, we can go ahead and combine them under one parentheses. Okay, so this is what we call grouping. After this, you could factor this out. This factors out to x plus 2, x minus 2, times x plus 3, and then those would be all of our different factors here. So our different factors would be plus or minus 2 and negative 3. Okay. And that would be our answer. So for now, I want you to be able to get to just this point, as long as you're able to group them and then eventually group them into this. That's totally fine. We'll talk about how to find the factors later on. And again, you could just set this equal to 0, do x squared equals 4, and then go ahead and solve. But we'll talk about that again tomorrow and Thursday. Okay. Oh, whoops.